GPT Unleashed is a free tool with its own prompt engineering framework, whose core principle is based on reusing good prompts and building your own tools. This allows you to replicate outstanding outputs at any time and massively increase your efficiency. The add-in unlocks a simple yet powerful Google Sheets formula in your Sheets environment, the GPTUL formula. You can use the input parameter to quickly test a standalone prompt or to provide input to your existing job or context prompts. Prompts that aim to produce a specific result using a text input can be saved as a job template. You assign a custom shortcode to the template, which you can then use in the GPTUL formula to efficiently replicate outputs. The same principle applies to contexts. Simply save important information about the context of your work or requirements that are relevant for the output, and use your context shortcode in any combination with other parameters in the GPTUL formula. By default, the add-in uses the most powerful OpenAI model currently available for your queries. You do not need to specify anything in the formula if it is not relevant for you. However, you can configure your own model presets, giving you full control over all aspects such as the model used and each individual model parameter. You can then specify the custom model shortcode as a parameter in the GPTUL formula. This way, you can easily compare the quality of the results of different models or model parameters to quickly find the optimal configuration for your individual scenario. GPT Unleashed offers an integrated catching system that reduces API calls and helps to compare previous requests, presets, and outputs in a clearly arranged sheet. By the way, on the add-ons website, you can find some cool prompt examples that you can copy. For example, a job template for generating tables, for completing empty cells of existing tables, and other examples. All you need to get started is an API key, which you can easily generate on the OpenAI platform. Use of the add-on is and remains free of charge. You only pay for the API usage at OpenAI. Try GPT Unleashed now and don't hesitate to share your feedback.